Hey, what's up, Bolly coin holders? If you are new on our channel, first of all, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So, Bolly coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market is a new cryptocurrency, my friend. And definitely, my friend. It is a very smart coin, my friend. You know, everybody knows this in upcoming time. There is 100% chance to in the future Bolly coin will completely, my friends, priority from all coin, my friend, in the crypto market. So definitely, my friends, we will talk about the Bolly coin next pumps and the next movement. But kindly holders, and also tell you to in upcoming time this is very good for investment or not. Can you trading on Bolly coin or not, my brother? So Bolly coin, first of all, as you can see, the detail is on the screen. The personal website, official website, you can see on the screen. Bolly coin, Bolly. This is the shortcut of, my friends, you can see Bolly coin. So is a cryptocurrency deployed and the Binance Smart Chain BSC DEF 20 contract. You can see, my friend, contract. You can see here is also this code now. So you can see here data deployed October 13, 2021. Oh my goodness, it's really news now. Total supply, you can see it's in trillion now. Circulating supply, it's in trillion. Dismal, you can see 9 holders 15. That's completely, my friends, mean to this coin is new now. So kindly holder, absolutely everyone is starting investing. So therefore I am 100% sure, my friends, to Bolly coin will give you a profit. Bolly coin data, you can see a Bolly coin price today is 0 with a 24-hour trading volume of 0. Bolly price is of 0, and the last 24 hour it has a circulating supply. Oh my goodness, it's really high now, my friend. You can see here in a total supply, you can see it in trillion Bolly. If you are looking to buy or sell Bolly pancake swap, V2 is VT is currently the most active exchange. Yes, my brother, pancake swap so easily. I will show you, my friends, some more exchanges about Holycoin, but pancake swap is the most expensive, my friend, this time. So kindly, I think pancake swap is one of the best now. So you can see here the Bollycoin trading history. First of all, oh my goodness, in last 20 minutes ago, you can see here 0.05. Congratulations, my friends, the value is 0.05. Absolutely, it's very high. 21 second a minute ago, you can see here it's 0, but again, my friends, 21 second ago, you can see 0.05. So people are investing very high. I hope, my friends, they will get a profit. But kindly holders, if you want to get a profit now, please, my friend, you can see this time the exchanging of Bollycoin. First of all, in the top, you can see a pancake swap, and after that Medix and base swap, BSC swap, and you can see any swap and BSC station swap, Cheza swap. You can see at this time a lot of exchanges is available now, my friend. This is a new coin, but pancake swap, my friend, I also, my friend, recommend you to pancake swap is the best. I already, my friend, invest now trading on pancake swap, so therefore I think that's best for me. I am also going to invest now. Please, if you have any plan to invest now and, my friend, this coin, please research personally about this, but because we have not responsible for any kind of loss, my friend, so please try to understand. See you next time, holder. Please, for latest update, more urgent updates videos of about any Bolly coin or any cryptocurrency, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.